What's up, YouTube? I'm coming at you today with a very quick tutorial of a low taper fade. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I begin to knock down the hair in the pattern of the waves. We're knocking it down to about a number 1 guard. And then I'll begin to get ready to clean out the temple area with the corner of my blade in a circular motion. I get my 1 guard, open it all the way up, and begin to clean it out. Then I'll take that 1 guard off, pick at the line. Then I'll go ahead and begin to knock down some of that bulk area with that 1.5 guard on him, since we knocked the hair down to a number 1. Then we'll go ahead and get into the nape area. I knock it down and balled it out. And I'm picking at the lines. My camera not focused at all, so I go ahead and begin to line them up. And then I jump right back into repicking at lines. That's the key word. We want to get that all cleaned up, make it blend very seamlessly. I always go back and clean up that area. So we want to go ahead and work on this lining. As you can see, it has a light spot, so I hit it with the Kiss Express. And just in case you want to know, that's the Shine Cut Hair color card. As you can see, it's just an illusion. So I begin to hit them with some of my hair fibers, just to fill in the light areas. Then after you put in those hair fibers, you go ahead and reline the client up. After you reline them up, you'll spray some holding spray on it to lock the fibers in. And I put the oils in his hair, and I'm just baking those waves right now with the oils in, similar to a hot oil treatment. This is the cut. I hope you guys like it, and I'll come back with more.